Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So on the euro yen, I still think this is the end of a wave 3 and that we're now in an ABC of 4, which will probably look something like that before it goes up for a wave 5 to complete the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern on the monthly time frame that we should be seeing. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think the first push down is an A. I still think this is a B. It might push up a little more to grab this 61% Fibonacci level, but I still think at some point it's going to go down and make a C of wave 4, which I think will go down someplace around these lows down here before it reverses back up for a wave 5. Keep in mind this is the weekly time frame, so that's going to take months to play out. Going down to the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still up. And technically, we don't really have a Fibonacci bounce, so I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did push up one more time, take out these highs, grab the Fibonacci, grab some liquidity before it actually does end up turning to the downside. So I would definitely still primarily be keeping an eye out for long opportunities on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, my confirmation for the end of a trend is still down here because this swing low right here does a break of this swing low does not tell us the trend is over because it didn't make a new high after that. A break of this swing low, in my opinion, will tell us that the trend is likely over. So if it goes down, takes out that low right there, I actually think it might set us up for another long opportunity, maybe pushing us up to the 61.8. Then maybe that's what's going to cause the reversal and the break of structure that proves the way B is over on the daily weekly time frame. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now I still got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. To me it looks more like an A, it looks more like a B, and this thing is very sideways. I think it is likely to push down. Probably either to the 61 or the 78% to make a wave C. Then if it bounces from one of these fib levels, makes it a pulse move up, that's probably going to be the entry to go long that we're waiting for. Probably for potentially a wave 5 of wave C. Either way, until it actually does go down and break this structure right here, I'm definitely still primarily only looking for longs and an uptrend at the end of three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.